Samsung has collapsed -6.06% to $302,500, a historic single-session move that demands your attention. In this video we break down what is driving this and what it means. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is Wednesday, June 10th, and this is your complete global market briefing. Markets are sending mixed signals today as investors weigh competing narratives. Let us start with a quick look at how the major global markets are positioned today. Starting with the major global indices. S&P 500 is little changed, hovering near $7,386.65. Equity markets are responding to reports that stock market jitters remain amid tech fears and renewed Middle East attacks. NASDAQ 100 is up plus 1.58%, trading at $29,414. Investor sentiment is being shaped by stock market today. S&P 500, NASDAQ rally as chip stocks rebound, CryptoRank. Dow Jones is broadly flat at $50,872, awaiting a fresh catalyst. Investor sentiment is being shaped by earnings, not valuations, are fueling the US stock market, Financial Times. DAX is down -1.35%, trading at $24,284. This comes as stock market jitters remain amid tech fears and renewed Middle East attacks, adding pressure to energy markets. FTSE 100 is down -1.90%, trading at $10,176. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Now let us turn to some of the biggest names in global equities. Samsung plunged -6.06% to $302,500 in a significant session. Equity markets are responding to reports that Samsung profit surges over eightfold to beat estimates as RE boom fuels memory chip crunch. Apple made a dramatic move today, plunged -3.64% to $290.55. Equity markets are responding to reports that Apple stock rises after Q2 earnings top estimates on strong iPhone, China sales, Yahoo Finance. HSBC dropped sharply -2.32% to $1,281. Investor sentiment is being shaped by assessing HSBC, LSE, SPAR, valuation after recent share price pullback and Asia growth focus, Simplewald St. Microsoft is down -2.02%, trading at $403.41. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Microsoft Cloud and RE strength fuels third quarter results, Microsoft source. Now let us dig into the macro picture driving these moves. Geopolitical risks remain elevated. This comes as stock market jitters remain amid tech fears and renewed Middle East attacks, adding pressure to energy markets. This is keeping traders cautious and supporting flows into defensive assets. Central bank policy is at the forefront of investor minds. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. On the data front, investor sentiment is being shaped by earnings, not valuations, are fueling the US stock market, Financial Times. Turning to commodities. Brent crude slipped to $91.33 per barrel, down 0.13% on the session. Traders are reacting to news that US stock futures drop after tech sell-off, oil up, markets wrap. WTI crude slipped to $88.06 per barrel, down 0.16% on the session. Traders are reacting to news that US stock futures drop after tech sell-off, oil up, markets wrap. Natural gas ticked up to $3.14, up 0.13% on the session. This comes as stock market jitters remain amid tech fears and renewed Middle East attacks, adding pressure to energy markets. Gold dropped sharply to $4,191.40 per troy ounce, down 1.61% on the session. Safe haven demand is being supported by reports that gold's safe haven role questioned as prices slide sharply, MSN. Let us give you our near-term view on Samsung. With the selling pressure we have seen today, the key support level for Samsung is around $284,350. A failure to hold there could accelerate the decline and attract further sellers. For a recovery, bulls need to see a fundamental shift in the drivers weighing on prices. This is our view, always do your own research. In the currency markets, Euro to US dollar is at 1.16, gaining 0.28% on the day. Pound sterling to US dollar is at 1.34, gaining 0.47% on the day. US dollar to Japanese yen is at 160.45, gaining 0.17% on the day. Currency markets are reacting to gold. Silver ETFs tumble up to 6% as US Fed rate hike fears. Stronger dollar trigger sell-off in precious metals, TradingView. Before we wrap up, here is your watch list for the sessions ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. If you found this analysis useful, please hit the like button. It genuinely helps us reach more investors. Subscribe and turn on notifications for our daily market briefings. Drop your view in the comments. Are you bullish or bearish from here? That wraps up today's coverage from MTRS_Market Pulse. This content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own research. Stay disciplined, and we will see you tomorrow. That is your full global market briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe and turn on notifications for daily updates.